2016 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, rear spoiler, power mirrors, emergency braking assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, privacy glass. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, push button start, lane departure warning, child safety locks, trip computer, power outlets, folding rear seats, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Every Honda is a product of innovative engineering and quality manufacturing. Your dealer performs an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection to ensure that each vehicle meets Honda standards. Only well-maintained Honda models are eligible. Honda certified used cars, so reliable they're certifiable.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.